All right. So back again, and we're definitely gonna go ahead and get these pins done up later today. But before we go ahead and do that, we're gonna go ahead and jam out the KoleTruck here. Hey Skylar, how's it going?
Good.
So we're gonna go ahead and jam out and tear this engine out and see what Jamie did here. Go ahead and pull the head off and assess everything. And be sweet. See what's really going on.
Where are you detaching it? Like,
So I mean, yeah, we gotta detach right there. All these connectors, all the electronics.
Okay.
We gotta unplug everything, do the coolant lines. We got some big old -16s down here, and undo all that. Then we're gonna do the drive shaft and probably the shift cables, or not cables, but the shift rods, and then we'll just pull the tranny out with the motor.
Cool.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty epic. This is our front mount, so we'll probably do this like close to last. Okay. Because I mean, there's only like 2 mounts on the whole thing. Yeah. One up here and then one on the transiting. So once we're gonna do all that, then everything's just gonna kind of fall. Nice. And it'll be sick. Yeah, brother. Let's go to war. All right, so Gordo just got the header all off. I went ahead and got the wire harness all off over here, and then on that side, so it's fully disconnected. Now we just got to do the coolant lines down here, and then undo the drive shaft and some stuff underneath. Things will be ready to come out soon. All right, so we got both the coolant lines unhooked here. Everything's all coming apart smoothly. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and just hook the engine hoist up probably. We'll probably jack the engine up, or jack the car up quite a bit, and then we'll hook the engine hoist up to the engine, and we'll go ahead and start undoing the plates, the bolts that hold the mid plate there, and then the drive shaft in the rear, so that the motor and the transmission are freed up. Once we have them free from the chassis and everything, we do gotta either drop the shifter down or the shift rods, so we can go ahead and slide out without pulling all those rods. But we're pretty much all there wire wise and everything, so it's gonna come out smoothly. All right, so we're under here. We got the good old KoleTruck. It is a slip yoke, it looks like. So just got to disconnect these shift rods here, and then the transmission slash mid plate motor mount we got to unbolt right there on both sides. That little L bracket there, the little gold one, we got to unbolt that on both sides, and then everything should just kind of slide out of this pig. So we're gonna go ahead and get the engine hoist hooked up. It's in the wash bay there in the middle, so let's do this thing. So we're almost done here getting this engine mount out. Quite a pain. Not too bad though. I'm lost. I've been under the KoleTruck for a couple years now. Don't know quite where I'm from or where home is anymore. It's getting kind of dark down here. Kind of lonely.
So that's mounted from underneath.
Huh?
I was just wondering, he says we'll just take off this whole bottom.
Yes. Yes.
Look at the fuel that came out of the fuel pressure regulator vacuum line when it fell back, man. So we got a little hunch that the motor hydrolocked because of the fuel pressure regulator. We have a feeling that it just all the fuel just went right through the diaphragm and it just hydrolocked the cylinder and the cracked sleeve, the whole nine. Because I mean, it just dumps fuel out of that vacuum line like it's the whole intake's full of it probably. I mean, probably. If this was flipped upside down, I bet you it'd just be all pouring out. Yeah, yeah, look at it go. It's just
actually just open the throttle body and look inside.
Yeah, I'll take the coupler off.
No, just just take the elbow off and look down in there.
My goodness.
That's like the
Well, good job, Jamie.
Yeah.
You broke it as good as you could have. I mean, the head's salvageable. Only a few valves, seats, piston rods,
Whole block.
a block, but I mean, it's a stock block at that, so we know we got one.
Yeah.
So, at least it wasn't some sleeved monster, you know?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Alright, Gordo's cleaning up the mess. Man, it's not too bad getting the engine out of this thing. Pretty easy. Woo! Was that a bad piston though? Holy crap. Did you see that thing? Let me give you the close-up look. You see this? Oh my goodness. Collapsed skirts. Toast. No wrist pin on one side. Jesus. Good job, good Jamie. Good job, Jamie. I'm impressed, man. You did great work. Great work. Woo. Pretty crazy, man. Woo. So, she looks salvageable though. The head isn't even very bad. Super, super clean still. Doesn't even look like it needs any welding. Probably just needs seats and then she'll be good. So, that'll be awesome. I'm really excited. Just some new block and stuff too. Because it's got a cracked sleeve, but that's all right. It happens. He really ripped it. So got the KoleTruck all pushed back. Gonna go ahead and get the top on it just until we get the motor all ready to slam back in her. But she's probably gonna go to the house and hang out. I got a spot all cleaned up for her. She's probably gonna go hang out there until there's a motor ready for this bad boy. So she's just not hanging out outside. My dad doesn't really like it sitting outside, kind of wants it inside. We'll probably take it to the back shop and slide it in where the other Jericho transmission and all its other body panels are. So we're gonna go ahead and go over to the dyno side and start jamming out on Gordo's car again, trying to get this thing all tuned out and get that rich spot all fixed up. So let's make some jam. All right, so hopefully Gordo's car made a good amount of horsepower. This is Gordo and GoofyBuilt. Make sure you guys get on the PFIspeed website and get one of these Rapmobile shirts. I believe they're live. So this is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit the dinger.